Hey everyone, it's Susan from Escapes and I am in Paris. I'm just about to board a Uniworld river cruise, Joie de Vivre. We are departing from Paris and we're en route to Normandy. It's a beautiful river cruise, so follow along and let's see what we see. And here is the Uniworld Joie de Vivre. I am in Paris and we are en route to Normandy. How exciting! Welcome to Uniworld, and here's the two gentlemen that are greeting us as we check in. Bonjour! Thank you! This is the stairway up to the next level. This is the main dining restaurant, and we're just about to sit and have lunch.
Oh, okay, so this is...
I'm on the top deck of Joie de Vivre. We're on the Seine. And then in the distance you can see the Eiffel Tower. I am in stateroom 205. I chose not to have a balcony because it's a little less costly, but it will be enjoyable nonetheless. Comfortable king-size bed. Plug-ins, phone, pin lights for reading. Lots of drawer space. Television. Bottled water. Drawer space. Closet with many hangers. Safe. Bathroom with shower, toilet, sink, and drawer space. Beautiful fluffy towels. This will be lovely for 7 nights. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm on the deck of the Joie de Vivre and say hello to two little friends. Isn't this lovely? It's 25 degrees in Paris today in October. I think that's unusually warm, but I am enjoying it. Those apartments would be lovely with such a great view. This is so classy. Isn't this pretty? I'm in the lounge and I am going to have a martini. Oh,
Go back up.
this is so lovely. Oh my goodness. There they are on the top deck. Isn't this beautiful? La Roche-Guyon. I am in love. Anyone who hasn't been here needs to see this at least once in their lifetime. These tapestries are from 1763. There we are.
And what are these? Oh, this is ice.
This is for the ice cream.
The furniture was all restored, but the desk was his.
Excusez-moi.
This is where Joan of Arc was burned at the stake. She was 19, right in this spot. They threw her ashes into the Seine.
Then the representation of the state with its flames.
Avec les airs.
So avocado pie. Yeah. So what I would do is I would do.
А ліфтом?